My name is Briana Ashley Stuart. I am a dancer, choreographer, performer, and percussive dancer. In the voice and rhythm class, I'm really interested in diving into the voice as an instrument. Again, my name's Briana. Yeah. Over time, we silence ourselves or other people silence us. So within this class, I really encourage people to open their voices, to be as creative as possible, and of course, have fun. So much fun. Oh my God!
And the favorite part of the workshop to me was the exercise where you go around the room and then connect with another person in the room and their rhythms and their sounds.
My favorite part of the workshop was the game where you do a rhythm, it's a call and response, and the loop is going to be the background for some solo.
It was absolutely, I don't know, poetic, and I think everybody's serotonin level is like through the roof right now.
Our part of us was activated again to have fun in this artistic way. I'm very thankful. It was such a pleasure, such a joy, and I learned a lot. Thank you.
But what can we do if we just walk outside right now? What can we create?